Greetings, I'm Dr. Alex Marrero, proud superintendent of Denver Public Schools, and today I will be taking 3 questions from students here at DPS. Remember, any student, any teacher, any staff member can ask me any questions they want, so let's see what our students have in store for me today.
I'm Daphne.
And I'm Jason.
And I'm Aiden. I think it would be, how hard is your job? Is it like miles, like it's a normal work job, or is it like hard, a big job, or is it like small, you don't have to do that much?
My question would be, how do you keep track of all the schools in DPS?
So I would wonder how many people he knew, because he would probably know like a lot of people from each classroom. Maybe so if he would know like Miss Walker or Miss Pickle or Miss Mack, I wonder how many people and teachers he would know.
Thank you for those questions. If it's okay, I'd like to answer Kason, your question first. How do I keep track of all the schools in DPS? It's because I have an illustrious team. I have an incredible team, incredibly well-talented and diverse team who tells me, quite frankly, what I need to know. So it's impossible for one person to know over 200 plus schools, and when you multiply that with all the classrooms, it's impossible. So I rely on an incredible team and they do a fine job. So when I engage with schools like Bromwell, I know a little bit more of what to expect and also the right questions to ask when I'm on grounds. Daphne, in terms of your question, very consistent, and just like Aiden, if I can. Last time I was at Bromwell, it was well over a year ago, winter of 2022, and you all asked similar questions. You love to know what happens, I guess, in the realm of the superintendency. Let me read some of these questions. If you all remember, you had a press conference for me, and here are 13 questions. How many schools are there? How many schools have you been to? I'm proud to say that I've been to every school in DPS. How many principals have you met with? How many do you know? Similar to your question, Daphne. How many teachers have you met? Specifically, Daphne, and no, I do not know Miss Pickle, Miss Mack personally, but I'm sure we've interacted. And how many students are there? And these 2 questions to answer not only Daphne, but Aiden's question, how do you become a superintendent, and why do older kids have less recess? And that's the unfortunate reality of growing up. As you get promoted, whether it's elevated to grades, you graduate, you go become a young adolescent, a young professional, a professional. The reality is that you have less time to engage in extracurricular and fun things. So unfortunate reality, but I encourage you all not to leave that behind. I'm trying my best to make sure that I continue engaging in things that are fun. It is one of our core values. And to be quite honest, in my line of work, what's fun is answering questions like these and visiting you all. So thank you for that question, and thank you for all of your questions. Thank you so much for those great questions. It's important to me that you all know that you can ask me any question at any time. Thanks for watching this Marrero Moment, and I'll see you next time.